Hello and welcome to another Affinity Photo video. We will continue with part 2 of discovering new options and new filters in Affinity Photo. The things that I'm doing right now, they're not necessarily new to Affinity Photo, but are things that I haven't worked since forever, or I haven't worked at all with those particular options. Right, so I'm gonna keep this video short. I have a 5-minute timer here, which I'm gonna start, and we're gonna look at some options. Last time I think we ended up with noise. Let's look at detect edges. We have 3 options here. We have detect edges, horizontal edges, and vertical edges. If you click on detect edges, it detects all the edges, so basically the highlights and the shadow differences. And we have all this. I use this option, to be honest, when I want to see if I have any dust spots on my sensor. So if you want a quick tutorial on that one as well, leave a comment below and I will try to make it for you and I will tag you in. So this is detecting edges. It had another option here. So if you go to filters, detect, it has the horizontal or vertical. So it's exactly what the title says. And it does a very nice job. Let's look at this jacket here. So this is with horizontal. And let's go and apply vertical. So let's undo this. Come on. Let's undo. And filter, detect vertical edges. See? This is a very nice effect. I really like it. You can see where you can use this type of effect and how to work with. Another thing that comes to my mind at the moment, how can you use this if you want to have like to trace the image. So in my case, if I hit Command or Control I and invert it, and then apply a black and white filter to it, you see that you can more or less trace the image. So you can print it to, let's say, some wood and then trace it with a burner. Could be, I don't know. Let's see, look at our timer. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. So if we go filter, colors, let's see how well this auto level, contrast, and color and white balance is doing. So this is auto levels. Actually, let's do this is original, and let's see. So we go filters, colors, auto levels. Good. Filter, colors, auto contrast. Filter, colors, auto colors. And the last one, filter, colors, auto white balance. And let's see a before and after. So this is after, this is before. I don't know if you're gonna see through all this YouTube compression, but there is a slight difference in the image. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what we have. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Colors, we can add some vignette to the image, which is pretty cool. You can make something, you know, scale, shape. Oh, you can make like a lead. Nice. The option is very cool. Of course, you can go on the light side or the dark or the light side. Nice. Okay, filters, colors, remove vignette. Okay, this is good because some lenses introduces a bit of vignetting in the photo, so you can have this, let's say, as a remove vignette intensity, but of course for me at the moment doesn't work, or at least it's not that obvious in this image. Filter, colors, chromatic aberration. This is trying to remove the chromatic aberration. Is the same option that you have in Lightroom as well, trying to remove all the artifacts. That's our time. Okay. I hope you liked this quick overview of Affinity Photo filters. On part 3 we will continue with colors, because we have some really interesting effects here that we can apply to images. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and also hit the bell to get notified when I'm uploading new videos. Until next time, take care and thank you for watching.